Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to enable voice input on iPhone. So first of all, open up your browser and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version. Now what I'm going to do, if you want to turn on the voice input, go to your device's setting and then tap accessibility and tap voice access and tap use voice access and start voice access in one of these ways. Hey Google, detection is on. You can say hey Google, voice access to that. All right, and say commands such as open Gmail. You can learn more how to input those commands onto your voice input. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here to my settings, accessibility. You're gonna find right here the voice input. Basically, you're gonna find the voice input. Scroll a little bit down. It says voice input, device setting, and tap voice access. Okay, voice access. Here you're gonna see voice control, but I don't know if it was voice control, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see this is the voice control, right? And then voice access, and then stop voice access is one of those ways. If you toggle this one on, this will allow you to use your voice to control your iOS device even when you are on calls. So you can set right here commands, for example, and if you want to create a new command right here, let's say accessibility, turn on voice control right here, and you're gonna be able to set a command for your iPhone, right? And basically it says you can say open my Gmail, open my Hotmail, or open website, or check the weather out today, check what's the weather today and all that. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.